Oh, at least I have a nice breeze out here. And incidentally, on my dull Sawzall blades, am I going to throw those away? What would your answer be? These are pretty dull now. What would your answer be? No, don't throw those away. Those are perfect for when you're doing sheetrock demo. You can use those to cut the sheetrock. I do that all the time. Okay, now I got my big loping shears. Let's see here. See that? That'll cut. Let's see if I can get this piece out of here. Okay, now I can really get down in there and see what else I've got to cut. And you know, if you think this is going to take you just 1 or 2 hours next to a big old tree, think again. I've been out here for several hours, and I think I'm going to just keep working at it. There's a big one right there. I don't think this one will get it. So I'm going to have to use the Sawzall for that, I think. Look at that. Look at that. Good grief. If I can get it around it with this, I can cut it off. Look at that. Whew. Whew. See, I've got this one here. It's right next to it, and I'm going to have to think about it. Exactly where to cut it off, because I want it cut off into the grass, just a hair. You know, I'm hoping I can get my cutters right in there. If not, I could use the Sawzall, right? Let's just see if I can do it with the cutters. Yeah, so I can't really get it in there the way I want. Maybe I can get this right here. I've got most of the dirt chopped away. You don't really want to cut your blades into the dirt any more than you have to, because when I get done with this blade, it's still going to be one of my good blades. I have a feeling. I'm going to go into the grass a little bit. As long as I can get it inside the grass line, it's never going to grow again, because it's coming from that big, from this big tree here. You see that big old tree here? Yeah, look at that thing. Am I too concerned about this? If I'm gonna kill the tree, or if it's gonna blow over? No, not really. If it blows over, okay, whatever. Or if it dies, I'll get somebody to chop it off, and we'll plant another one. But I don't think, see where those big roots are right in there, if I cut them back far enough, at least I'll have a few years, quite a few many years, when I get the concrete border back in here, the mowing strip. I think it's going to last for a while. Yeah. Okay, so get this inside the grass line. Now that time, when your battery has good juice in it, And when it starts going dead, it'll stop and notify you. And then you get 1 or 2 more times with it, and that's what I just got. Okay, so see now I can just keep being like the Energizer Buddy and check and see what other small roots I have. I know I still have that big one over here that I have to cut in, and I have a feeling I'm going to have to do that with the Sawzall. And then once I do that, I can start putting some of the dirt back in here so I can transplant my little bush over here. It's midsummer. I don't know if it's gonna live or not. It probably will. It's pretty hardy. And I can transplant it right in here somewhere, so that, because I've got some more big roots on in there. You know? Okay. So I'm not going to show you the whole thing. Obviously, you get the point. But I was anxious to use the Sawzall on it and see how well that was going to work. That's just my lightweight battery-operated Sawzall, and it seems to work pretty good. It's got pretty good power, and I've always got a selection of blades, my Sawzall blades. Save your dull Sawzall blades, don't forget. All right, I'll keep her going. Now, last but not least, granted it's going to be a little over 90 degrees today, but it's the afternoon sun, and it's still pretty hot, but it's breezy out here. Plus I had this nice shade tree here, so I've got my stuff in the shade, my batteries in the shade, my cell phone in the shade, some of my tools in the shade. I could bring some water out here and leave it in the shade, even though I'm working out in the sun. I don't mind. If this was full sun, I might think about doing it first thing in the morning or after the sun goes down over the hill. Think about your project and schedule it right.